So I'm kind of spilling the beans today of who I am and what I do, just so you guys can get to know me a little bit better. Some previous videos I talked about my whys, my mom being one of them. And I talked a little bit about, having undiagnosed ADD. But the other thing that I wanted to share with you guys and why I think it's important to share with you guys is I have a lot of anxiety. Now, I've had this anxiety since I was a kid and I didn't even know it. When I look back and I see different situations or different decisions I made, it's very obvious that I had a lot of social anxiety. I wasn't a popular kid. I liked being at home. I was a quiet kid. I kind of hid behind my parents. I don't even think I called or got on the phone and made ordered a pizza online because I was so afraid. I had so much fear of speaking to someone. And I think that's important to let you guys know, because when you practice doing something, you get better at it. For those of you that do know me, if I've ever been in a situation with you trying to hold a conversation, I probably don't tend to carry that conversation a whole lot, just because I always have a fear. I have an anxiety. My heart starts beating like 1,000 miles an hour, and I'm always afraid that maybe I'm going to say the wrong thing or, look really dumb because I'm not saying the right word. So I tend to hold back of who I really am. But usually once I get to know you, I open up a little bit more and maybe talk too much because I'm comfortable with you guys. So I'm just letting you guys know, even if you have anxiety or if you have struggles in your life that you're dealing with, you can still, put your head down and build a business online, because you do get a little more comfortable over time with making these videos. And guys, I'm getting more comfortable because I'm here by myself. But I just wanted to let you know that, and I remember as a kid, I remember that I did have a few friends and they would call me and they would like, oh, come over, spend the night, let's make plans. And guys, I was all excited until the last minute. And I'm telling you, it would be 5 minutes before I would get ready to go to a friend's house. And I would literally like be in tears because I had so much anxiety and so much fear to go there, because I was just scared, and I can't even explain that when I knew nothing was going to happen, but it's just a fear. And when we step out of our comfort zone, so if I was probably pushed to do that, I would have probably got more comfortable with it, but I wasn't. But my whole point to this is you can do anything you put your mind to. You can. Again, if I can do this, you guys can do this with all the anxiety, with all the fear, whatever it is. I just want you guys to know, just put your head down and start learning the skill, and you can build a business online too.